Hello, everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of busybusinesspromotions.com, and today I'm going to show you about a Amazon affiliate generator that I made. I use it primarily for my website promotion clients, but it's here for you. There's no login. You can just go visit, and hopefully, eventually, you'll become one of my clients too. But this is on how to make money online with affiliate marketing by becoming an instant affiliate of all of the Amazon search results page with this free Amazon affiliate link generator. And I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, I was kind of lazy right here. This is actually the web page itself, and I use Control Plus to make it really big. So let's resize this now so you know what you're going to be looking at. And to do that, I just press the Control key down on a Windows computer and then tapped on the minus key until it was back down to the normal size. All right, so let's scroll down. Now, you have got to be an Amazon affiliate already. If you need a website, obviously that's something that I can provide for you. Uh, Now, little tip here. I've been an Amazon associate since almost the beginning. I wanted a more branded appropriate store Amazon ID. So that can't be changed. So I added a new tracking ID and I left a link for you right here for you to be able to do that. Place your Amazon store or tracking ID in the Amazon Associate ID box. Search your topic on Amazon. Highlight and copy the middle section where the primary products are located in the Amazon search results. You have to do the middle because of the tables and stuff like that that Amazon uses. I tried to get everything, but it didn't work. So paste your Amazon search results into the box with the text that says paste products here from the Amazon search page. You guys know I'm a dual certified teacher and an in-home tutor, so I'm going to assume absolutely nothing. I'm also a computer tutor, so I'm used to starting way from the beginning. So these are not meant to insult you with basic instructions. These are assuming that you may not know anything. Anyway, uh, now this is where a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get box. This is a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get box. So your pasted results will actually look similar to the Amazon page. Now, be aware your free Amazon affiliate links generator, courtesy of busybusinesspromotions.com, does not copy the graphics, which is actually against Amazon's terms of service anyway. So after that, you just click the automation or automate my links button, and then your results will actually be found below in three different formats. And I'm going to show you what those different formats are because we're going to do this right now. Yep, looks like I need to update my Google Chrome, don't I? All right. So what I did there was I clicked up here and I clicked on New Incognito tab. That way, my Amazon results will not have any effect on my history. Okay. So let's do something simple like make money online. Make money online. We'll press enter. Okay, and obviously we have a lot of results for that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press my left mouse key and I'm going to drag this. Whoop. Sometimes it's easier to start from the bottom. We may be doing that. Hold on. Yeah. We're going to start from the bottom. Watch this. So we scroll down to the bottom. Okay, we see, so we don't do this part here. We do this part starting right here. And we highlight this, go all the way up to the top. You can go fast if you want to. Just bring that up higher. And then we stop right there. It doesn't matter if you go up there or not. But now I find a place that's not hyperlinked. There we go. Now from here, you right mouse click over this. And then left mouse click on copy. Okay, now you could exit your incognito window from here, but I'm not going to. And let's see, where are we here? Here we are. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down. My Amazon ID is in there by default. So normally you would click in here and add your Amazon ID or your tracking code. And then right mouse click, then left mouse click on paste. And there's now, by the way, you see all this red and stuff right here? That's my CSS, cascading style sheets. Yours will look like whatever your CSS looks like. So we scroll down to the bottom here. Okay, come on. By the way, I am not associated with any of these books. You saw me do this. Okay, now we click on Automate My Links. And that's it. Okay, so first off, here's the HTML. Okay, so if you build websites by hand like I do, or if you want to paste this into the source code of your WYSIWYG editor, like if you're on a WordPress site, you can do it that way. But I've got something else to show you if you have a WYSIWYG editor, like if you're using WordPress or Wix or anything like that. So let's scroll down here. By the way, you should be using me, right? Come on. Okay, so let's scroll down here again. We'll keep scrolling. All of those make me an affiliate of every single one of these, and they will make you an affiliate of every single one of these when you put your, I'm not going to scroll up and show you, but when you put your affiliate ID up there, then you will be the affiliate. And you can double check it in the results. Now, this is very important. I use this a lot. This is an RSS feed generated by the program. So be sure if you use RSS feeds and you want a more live way, it won't be live. It'll still be these results. But if you want a more controlled way of doing this, like for example, you could use this to populate every single one of your web pages with it if you want to. But then if something changes, all you have to change is this RSS feed right here. So anyway, let's continue to scroll down. And this part right down here is the part that you're going to want to use if you have a WYSIWYG editor, like for WordPress or something. And here it is right here. So what you want to do is you want to copy from here all the way down. And I think some of that is mine. Yeah, there it is. Okay, now I have a couple of ads right here. That would be a big favor to me if you could leave those ads in there. It's what I do for a living, how I pay my bills, and how I can continue to offer this free to you. Okay, so All you do is just copy that. Once again, find a spot that's not hyperlinked and copy. And then you copy that into your WYSIWYG editor. And you are now an affiliate of every single one of those products. So that's how you use it. You can obviously find it right here. If you have questions, go ahead and ask those questions. By the way, I've already done a video on this one right here for ClickBank. And I had to work hard on both of these to actually get the titles to show for you. But in any case, that's it. Go ahead and leave comments in YouTube if you have any questions. And by all means, if you're interested in stuff like this, visit the website. And the most important thing that you could do is hire me for your website promotion and website design. And that's it. So, God bless you. Best of luck in your business. Aloha.